If you are learning acupuncture, memorize these 10 points first. They will help you treat a wide range of common conditions. So here we go. Number 1, Li4 or Hegu for pain relief, headache, stress and facial conditions. Number 2, stomach 36 Zusanli to boost energy, support digestion and strengthens immunity. Number 3, SP6 Sanyinjiao, excellent point for digestive condition, gynecological, urinary and emotional balance. Number 4, liver 3 Taichong, helps reduce stress, anxiety and headaches. Number 5, pericardium 6 or Neiguan, great for nausea, anxiety, chest discomfort and palpitation. Number 6, GB34 Yanglingquan, a key point for muscle, tendon, neck and joint problems. Number 7, UB40 Weizhong, one of the best points for low back pain and sciatica. Number 8, kidney 3 Taixi, supports kidney energy, lower back health and overall vitality. Number 9, GB20 Baihui, calms the mind, improves focus and lifts clear yang. Number 10, Yin Tang is known for promoting relaxation, reducing stress and improving sleep. They are just the beginning. In my upcoming online acupuncture course, you will learn not only where these points are, but also how to combine them for real clinical results after 24 years of my practice. Please follow me or subscribe at Acupuncture with Dr. Abid on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn for more healing wisdom.